You gotta be a gentleman with a tomato. What am I saying? Be gentleman with a tomato? You what?
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come I'm eating everything is edible.
Hello, welcome back to our channel. My name is Most. As you know, I cook on this channel. Now in a minute for you guys today, I'm not gonna be cooking. But however, I am gonna be prepping up a salad. Right? So it's gonna be healthy. It's gonna be no heating up, no cooking. We don't need the stove, although I'm gonna use it as a bench or a stool. It's gonna be healthy. I'm gonna add some chickpeas to the salad as well. That's gonna boost the protein in there as well. Healthy, vegetarian. Yeah, for you lot, I got you covered. Don't say I don't cook nothing vegetarian, so you lot don't like it and blah blah blah. Make sure you like it, share it, comment, subscribe to the channel. Moving over to Instagram, follow me there as well. We can carry on making this video. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the ingredients that we need to make our healthy salad. Well, salad is healthy in general anyway. The only thing is that we've got the chickpeas that give it a boost of protein. So you got the chickpeas, you got onion, you got cucumber, avocado, tomato, right? I've got some coriander on the side as well. I'll bring that in later to chop it up. So without further ado, let's get things going. All you want to do is get that and go whack, all right? Don't need the whole thing, so just get rid of it. And just like so, okay? What you want to do is take the plastic off your cucumber, as you do, right? All you want to do is quite simply so. Get it here, right? You just want to chop it up, all right? The idea is try and make them all look the same size, right? You make it look like it's the same, well, you make it the same size, it's going to look a lot more appealing. It's going to be a lot more attractive. When it looks good, it's going to taste good. That's the saying anyway, right? Okay. So, what you want to do, put that in the bowl. Yeah. It's very similar to the Persian salad, which is called Salad Shirazi. I've made it before in the videos. You may have seen it, you may not have seen it. Don't know. This tomato is a bit old, it's a bit soft, which isn't ideal, but I couldn't be bothered to go outside and get a new one. It's too cold. It's really cold outside, and yeah. So here's what you want to do. Chop it up. You can see I've sharpened up my knife for this, especially for the tomato. Like, it's soft, delicate. You gotta take care of it. You gotta treat it gentle. You gotta be a gentleman with a tomato. What am I saying? Be gentleman with a tomato? You what? You alright, mate? I need help, guys. Yeah. So, look at that. See? Take your time with it. Boom! Where did that fly out to? Right? Turn it around. And so on. Done! Moving on. This is a simple, quick video, guys. Like, I'm taking my time with chopping this and stuff, but believe you me, it is not that long. This may even had it as well, no? Oh boy, here we go. Whoa! What happened there, mate? Right, you just wanna do that just a few times. Yeah, Can you guys see that? Just chopping it up, right? Dice it in there. Boom. Yeah. Sideways, the other ways, crossways, whatever you want to call it. Just chop up the damn thing. Get a spoon. Dig it all out. Yeah, that never got cut properly, but there you go. Okay. And that last bit there. There you have it, son. Moving over. Onion. Now onions, I'm only gonna need half. So here's what you wanna do. Chop that bit off, right? And then chop down the middle. That's it. Peel off the skin. Right? Take off the skin. Oh God, this takes forever. Yeah. Now this one that I chopped up is a bit smaller than I expected, but anyway, it's not a big deal. I'm not gonna complain. You're just gonna do with what you got. Deal with what you got, mate. You know what I mean? Yeah? Just chop it up into little bits. There you go. Okay? And there you have it. Lay it down, chop up some more. Not too much. Don't want to smell your breath, you know, especially if you're going out on a date. Boy. So you don't want to go out on a date and then say hello. You say you know, you open the door to your partner and you say hello, and she says goodbye. So you're trying to avoid that, right? I'm just gonna get a whole bunch, stick it in there. Try and remove all of these bits. This is the annoying part. It's, you know, so long. Why don't they just do it in the place that it gets done? Like, why you gotta make me do it, you know? I'm paying you like 50p for this already, and you're making me work for it and all. My God, that's it. This is what you got, right? Here's what you wanna do. Take it and just chop it up, right? Real fine, small, to little pieces, little bits. Make sure you cut all of it, right? Grab them all together. Go like that, right? And then so on again. Get rid of that. You just, guys, as soon as you chop this coriander up, it's amazing. And the thing is, it wasn't even that fresh when I got it. Like, you get proper good fresh ones as soon as you just give them a little cut, and the smell just goes everywhere, and it's amazing. Like, the fragrance of this is beautiful. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Pour it onto the salad, right? There you go. There's that, right? All you need is a bit of olive oil. Okay? Pinch of salt. Oh God, keep making mess all over the place. Bit of pepper. Yeah? And then some lime juice. Fresh ones is better, but I didn't get any, so yeah, I'm not bothered. Right. Now, what you're trying to do, get your chickpeas and go all in. I should have used a bigger bowl. As always, I fail. So here's what you want to do. Take a spoon, right? Like I said, if you use a bigger bowl, it'll be so much easier, right? But there you go. This is what you got to deal with when you try and rush things, right? That's a nice little healthy salad for you. You know, quick lunch. Maybe it's full of taste. You got the chickpeas, protein. You got the avocado, gives you good fat. You got the cucumber. It gives you what does it give you? It gives you something. And then you got onions. That's good as well. Look at that. Now it's still stuck together. Didn't cut it properly. See what I mean? See what I mean? Never does the thing properly. Anyway, that's your healthy meal. This is what it looks like. That's what you call a prep. That's what we call a prep salad. Then you want to get your bad boy bowl. Stick it in there, ladies and gentlemen. Right? You get a bit of everything. It's a healthy dish, healthy thing going on. Whew. Avocados in there, cucumbers in there. You want the chickpeas in there. You want the onions. I'm glad I didn't put any more onions in there, to be honest with you. It was a lot, right? There's that. Look at that. Amazing. Don't you agree? Absolutely amazing, right? There's that. And now just to top it off, you want to, where is it? Just get like one leaf. And I mean, this isn't the best leaf that, you know, just, maybe not that one. It's so ugly. Just place it in the middle there as a kind of presentation kind of thing, right? There you are, bon appetit, ladies and gentlemen. That is your simple, quick and easy salad. Bon appetit. Make sure you share, like, comment and subscribe to the channel, guys. I'll see you in the next video.
Tell me, who you really think is more lyrical? Cause every time I go somebody gotta see the medical, and every time I come up